Greetings, future Phoenix families. This video will showcase how to upload the required files to your application. Once you have completed steps 1 through 5 and get to a screen where you need to choose a file, you're simply going to click Choose File and choose the file that you would like to upload. In this case, I am uploading the high school essay for Philip Phoenix. And you'll see now the PDF of our high school essay has loaded, and you can even click View if you want to make sure that the correct document has come up, just to ensure that that is what I wanted there. And I can see, yes, it is. And now I'm ready to click Save and Continue. Again, when I come to a screen to choose my file, I'm going to click Choose File and find a letter of recommendation for Philip Phoenix and click Open. And again, you can see it has uploaded. I'm going to put the first and last name of the staff member who is recommending Philip and hit Save and Continue. And here again are additional document uploads. I'm going to click Choose File and choose the file that I want to upload. For immunization records, choose File. Notice this immunization record is a JPEG file, which means I have a picture of the immunization records. As long as it is a clear picture, that is perfectly fine. Same thing for any of the documents that need to be uploaded. It can be via PDF or JPEG file. Again, I'm clicking Choose File, finding the file I want to choose. Here's another example of a JPEG file. If you do not have an IEP, you do not need to upload anything in this space, and I'm going to click Save and Continue. And that is how I upload the files. If you have any questions regarding your application, please see the contact information. Thank you.